Hello everyone. So today I am gonna go over the BoxyCharm for July. Yes, I finally got BoxyCharm. I'm so excited. So this is everything it came with. So this brings the Vitamin C Brightening Booster, the HourGlass Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow, the Bronzed in Paradise palette, the Brazilian Strengthening Smoothing Shampoo and Conditioner, and the Quick Color Switch Dry Brush Cleaner. So I needed one of these. Look at this. I really did. Now I can finally switch colors on my brushes. So really excited about this one. Vitamin C Brightening Booster. This one comes with watermelon, green tea, and pineapple. And let's see. The super potent vitamin C brightening booster supercharges your cream or serum to firm and brighten the appearance of the skin, while naturally gives a younger, regenerated look. The concentrated formula contains watermelon and green tea extracts, which help reduce sun damage, even out skin tone, and improve the appearance of aged and stressed skin. So this goes. It says apply 3 drops on your palm. 1, 2, 3. It's kind of thick. A little. Feels good. It does feel good. So we'll use this as primer. This feels really good. Feels hydrating, one, because my skin tends to be dry sometimes, and then oily. So this serum retails for $50. Let's hope that's good, because I don't buy serums for that price. So I'm gonna move on to my face, that way I can show you guys the eyeshadow and the bronzer. Okay, so I am done with the face, and now we're gonna go with the HourGlass that I got from BoxyCharm. It's the Scattered Light Glitter Eyeshadow. So let's see. This is what the package looks like. Inside, and then look at that bronzy color. That bronzy color is so pretty. I'm just gonna put it all over my lid, because I mean, I kind of want to do a natural, but using this shadow, so excuse my fingers. Okay, so look at the, can't focus, yeah, but we're gonna put this all over the lid and just get closer. Oh, that's so pretty. And I gotta put cream on my face too. I mean my legs. So that's what I did to my lid, just using the HourGlass. And let me tell you guys how much it retails for. The HourGlass retails for $29. Just this little thing is $29. But it's pretty.
That?
$29?
For this?
Alright, so next one is the Beaute Bronzed in Paradise palette. Well, this was a bronzer palette, but I kind of forgot I was supposed to use it for bronzer, and I already did my bronzer, so I'm gonna use it as eyeshadow. Next video I'll do it. I really like it. I mean, I think I could use it for eyeshadow. We're gonna try it. So with a blendy brush, I'm gonna go into this one right here. I'm gonna just blend the crease. I know, I'm fired. I was supposed to use this as bronzer and I didn't. We're going to my brother's house and I kind of was in a rush. So I'm gonna use this flat corner brush. It's like an angled brush. And I'm gonna go into this one right here. I'm gonna kind of put it as liner, just right here. That. And then with another flat brush, this one's not an angled brush, we're gonna put it at the bottom. I'm gonna go into this one right here. And put this at the bottom. That's this palette. And this one retails for, let's see. The Browns in Paradise retails for $30. This one's $30, and I like it so far. I mean, I can use the colors for eyeshadow, so yeah. So we're just gonna put mascara on and curl my lashes. I'm just gonna put mascara. I'm using the Essence one in the False Lashes mascara, so this is one of my favorites, and they're not expensive. I got it at Ulta, I think, for under $5 bucks, so and then going into the Voluminous Lash Paradise waterproof one from L'Oreal, Paris. Just gonna go over that.
Why am I doing like that? My God, the shade. Oh.
So for lips, I just used the ColourPop in Foolish, so kind of orangey, kind of pretty. The other thing that came in the box was these shampoos.
It looked like lemon.
The shampoo, Brazilian Joia, I don't know how to say that, shampoo and conditioner.
Whoa.
Ooh, it smells kind of good.
What do they do?
This one retails for $24, and I think it comes together, so it's not $24 each, it's $24 the shampoo and conditioner. And then the color switch, the brush cleaner, retails for $17. So now let's do the total.
I got some in your hair. You can test it out.
$49.95 for the vitamin C. The Hourglass is $29.
Flat?
Mm-hmm. The Bronzed in Paradise palette is $30. The shampoo and conditioner is $24. And the color switch brush cleaner is $17. What's the total?
$149.95 is your total for everything.
So everything that I got in this box.
I have used the iPhone calculator. If you guys need to find a calculator, it's located at your local phone. Look, I have something to show you. Looks like a regular thing, right? Oh my God. Just wait. Look at Boo, you're a kid. Oh my God, what am I gonna do?
So, as you can tell,
my heart is racing. Oh my God.
She is obsessed with Harry Styles.
As I was saying.
Everything that came in here retails for how much? 100 and what?
$49.95.
This is $149, and I only paid $25 a month.
Rounded
So
up $150.
$150.
For
that
how
was
many items?
5. BoxyCharm, guys, I really like it so far. I got the first month, but my box was all squished in, and I got it at the end of the month, so I didn't do a video on that one. But yeah, so first time for BoxyCharm. So hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you guys think, and have a good week.
Peace.
Featuring Yana. So
yes.
If you guys have any questions for her, leave them down in the comment below. I don't know. Probably your Harry Styles video screen.
Oh, that's true. Wanna know how I did it? Well, too bad. I'm only one.
Apparently it's a secret because she doesn't even tell me. So.
I told you.
No, you didn't.
Yes.
I was like, how'd you do it? She's like, I just did it.
No, I said, I told you how I did it.
So, yeah. So, bye guys. Have a good week.
You look so pale. Oh my God.